The Wimshurst machine has been a historical staple when it comes to electrostatics. It remains today one of the best demonstrations of static electricity. Two plastic discs have an inherent imbalance of charge. The neutralizing bars facilitate a balance of charge. As the counter-rotating discs move, the charge is distributed evenly along the metal foils on both sides of the neutralizing bars. This equalization of charge allows charges to migrate to the charge collectors by induction. The charge is collected in the Leyden jars until there is sufficient energy to create a spark between the two electrodes. The spark length is determined by the amount of distance between the electrodes and the humidity in the air. An important safety feature are these two bars. When these are up, no charge can collect in the Leyden jar, so no accidental discharging can occur. On a low humidity day, a 10 to 12 centimeter spark can be generated at around 70,000 volts and 50 microamps. Place the electrodes 1 centimeter apart and turn the handle. The spark will be very quick. Place an index card between the two electrodes. Small dimples will form as the discharge goes through the card. Always discharge after each use by touching the two electrodes together. If you increase the distance between the electrodes and charge up the unit, it will take a longer time to discharge. This will give the students a chance to observe the smell of ozone as the charge builds. If you are having difficulty creating a charge, here are some tips. First, the two neutralizing bars should be positioned so the set of brushes on one side are on the metal foils, while the brushes on the other side are between the foils. The brushes on the charge collectors should not be touching the disc. The safety handles should be down. And always turn the handle clockwise. If used often, a Wimshurst will collect oil and dust. Use rubbing alcohol and a cotton ball to clean the brushes and the metal foils. The Wimshurst machine from Sergeant Welch remains an excellent tool to demonstrate static electricity.